Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we are working on the Lexus, and specifically we're going to be replacing the headlights on this thing. So the headlights, when I did the conversion, these are VLANs, and when I did the 2024 conversion, the front end conversion, it looks beautiful, right? It looks nice, looks pretty classy, looks aggressive, looks beautiful. But I was thinking to myself, I was like, well, how can I make it look more like the newer Lexus, the newer 2024 Lexus? Speak no more. We got it. Let's check these headlights out right here. Now these headlights right here, I think they're called spyder, S-P-Y-D-E-R. That's how it's spelled on the website. Let's see what it looks like. All right, look at this headlight. Looks good. It looks like the newer Lexus 2024. And it's just plug and play. See, you just plug it in, and this other part right here, you just plug it into this headlight, and it has its own cable to plug into the car, and you have to run one wire to the fuse box, and that's it. All right, so the headlights are installed. They fit like OEM. Little LED strip. It's cool, but in my opinion, if they wanted to make this headlight a lot better and a lot more cleaner, was to make the Nike strip all the way to the corner. So you see how it kind of stops right here? And let's turn on the light, see what it looks like. All right, so that's the low beam. We'll turn on the high beam right now, okay? 3, 2, 1. High beam. The headlights, they almost look like this video game that my kid used to play back in the days. It's called Angry Birds. Doesn't it look like an angry bird? It looks like an angry bird, right? There is an issue with the headlights. And the problem is the turn signals. Watch this. See how fast it's turning? So that's something I need to go on the forums and explore and do a little bit of research. Maybe we should take a little ride. Let's take a rolling shot of this with the headlights rolling, and let's see if the turn signals in the sun makes any difference as we're driving on the street. Let's try that, right? I think that's a good plan. Let's do that.